Hey, today we're at Dairy Queen and we're trying out a Reese Chocolate Lovers Blizzard. Sounds good. What's going on, guys? It's Dave from Ghetto Van Adventures, and I have in my hand a Reese Chocolate Lovers Blizzard, and it looks chocolatey. I can actually smell the chocolate off it. So let's see if this thing is as good as it looks. I got a beard and it's going to be a disaster, but yep. First thing, oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Okay, this is really rich. Like, Actually, I don't want to drip it. It's really hot out. Okay. Woo! This thing is friggin' chocolatey. Like, you get the chunks of the Reese. They have the little addition there. They add cocoa, whatever she said. And whoever made this, they deserve a raise. This thing is friggin' delicious, but it is so rich. What? I'm serious. I love chocolate, and I love rich tasting food. But this is something else, guys. You know what? If you like, well, everybody likes ice cream, right? Everybody likes chocolate. Most people like Reese's, but I'm telling you, you got to try this out. This is, look at this. Look at chunks. Can you see that chunk? Big chunk of chocolate. It is so rich. Sorry, I'm rambling. This is really good. I'm going to come back in a couple minutes after I eat some more. Okay, guys. Okay. I'm about a third of the way through this. And I find it so rich. This is one of the... Okay, when they say chocolate lovers, they mean chocolate lovers. Like, this is just... If you love chocolate, test this out and let me know what you think. Like, this thing is just wicked. I really like this. It's almost like it's too rich, but okay. $7.56. Now that is large. Okay, that is large. Okay, guys, I won't bore you with my eating anymore. Check this thing out. Let me know what you think, because I think it's absolutely delicious. Like, for somebody that says chocolate, this thing is chocolate. Like, this thing is really chocolate. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate all the comments, all the subscriptions, everything else. We appreciate everybody. Thanks very much, guys. Take care. Be safe on the road.